Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Trello to Roblox, so let's get right into it. Now, it is possible to connect Trello to Roblox, however, it is a bit more of a difficult process. I myself do not know the exact details on how to do it, however, I know how to point you in the right direction and what you need to use. Now, what I would recommend you use is this here. This is the Trello API. I'm not going to be showing you how to set this up because I don't want to confuse you, because I don't know how to do it myself either. However, this here forum post on the Creator Hub of Roblox, which is named Trello API Remade, this is an API that you need to use to connect Trello to your Roblox game or your Roblox custom games, call it whatever you want, and you need to download it. So you get the Trello API link here in this document as well, and you can read the new documentation as well, and you do have other documents within the module which you can check out yourself. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. You need to go through this tutorial. I would recommend you read very carefully on how to install everything and how to set everything up. As I've said, I won't be doing that as to not confuse you, but that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.